I'm gazing upward, a world I can't embrace. There's only thorns and splinters, venom in my veins. It's okay to cry out when it's driving you insane. But somehow, someday, I'll have to face the pain. It's all gone cold, but no one wants the blame. It's all so wrong, but who am I to say? I'm begging for forgiveness, everything I've done. If God is listening, He knows I'm not the only one. It's okay to lash out from the rules that I'm enslaved. But somehow, someday, I'll have to turn the page. It's all gone cold, and no one wants to change. It's all so wrong, but no one wants the pain. It's all gone cold, there's nothing left to gain. It's all so wrong, but who am I to say? My heart's an endless winter filled with rage. I'm looking forward to forgetting yesterday. It's all gone cold, and no one wants to change. It's all so wrong, and no one wants to blame. It's all gone cold. It's all gone